Okay guys, I know there's 1,001 box openings of this Be Happy box collab, the Happy Planner with Teresa Collins, but I have to show my own, right? This is my box opening. Where's my scissors at? So I wanted to share it on my channel too, even though I'm 1,000 days late and everyone's already shared theirs. I'm excited. So I already just shipped off the giveaway box today. It arrived today and I was so excited. If you guys have followed me on IG, my IG stories, or even some of my posts, I talked about how I've been a victim of mail theft the past few months. And actually, I think it's been longer than that. We just found out that a check was not cashed and it was over 180 days. So the bank sent us a message or something in the mail saying that we needed to call them to get it resent out. So I don't know if that was from theft or if it was actually accidentally thrown away, which I don't see that happening. Ta-da! And the way that my office is set up is there's no natural lighting, so this is what we got to work with. How about I don't want to ruin this paper? Smells like perfume. Sorry, my big hair in the way. Smells like there's perfume in here. Ooh, it came off nicely. All right. How exciting is this? Let me try to get this all set up. I also received this cup from Goldmine & Co. Today, and I do have 2 other items that are coming in. It's a backpack with leather on the side and also a sweatshirt that says no, not today. But isn't this cute? It's my first purchase from them. Okay, here's the pouch. Make your dreams happen. It's thick. I like it. It's really nice too. Okay. This just shows you what's inside your box. You are magic. Here's all the things you need to shine bright this year. All of these designs are exclusive to the Be Happy box. So let's get into it. That's so pretty. Ooh. These are those, I never used these when they came out with their original ones a long time ago. But these are so pretty. The colors are so pretty. I mean, I'm gonna have to use these. I want to use these. They actually go to my planner, what is it called? The planner that everyone loves, the monthly floral, what is it? Garden chic, I don't even know. Cute. This is awesome. This is perfect to put your money in, which I use the small micro, this as my wallet. So I don't know, maybe I'll use this for like receipts, but it's definitely, I need to use these. I have some other ones too that I don't use. Just another thing to add to the collection, right? Whoa, this is thick. This is a huge sticker book. Do you guys not like that sound of opening wrappers? How cute is this? Okay. Let's do a Twyla flip through. Turn it this way. I haven't seen this size before. It almost looks like the fake nails that come in the little box. You know, the little, okay, never mind. Became too much. I am what I believe I am. Teresa Collins. These are cute. It's like a peachy pink. Those diamond shaped to-dos today. You got this. We have some strips. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. Yes. In the colorful boxes. Those are perfect. Excuse me. Things to do with little check boxes. I like that because I like to check stuff off. Be kind. Inhale, exhale. Oh, and these are tabs. These are cute. Very nice. These are clear sticker florals too. Very pretty. Gold florals on clear sticker paper. Some quotes. Ooh, gold quotes. Days of the week. Love these colors. I don't really like the gold on it by itself. Washi strips. These to-dos are my fave. I saw this in another flip through. These are on clear sticker paper with gold foil. These are clear sticker paper with no foil. Dream big, work hard. Don't think small. That's nice. And this one's cut off for you. I am my biggest competition. That's awesome. Your story is your strength, and it's highlighted. These are all cut off, you guys, for you. So you can just stick them in the corners of your pages, or the sides, bottom, whatever, but it's cut off, so that's nice. Nice detail. Plain black and white quotes. Ooh, I like the white with black writing. The gold with gold writing. Focus, today, to do, appointment. I like those little highlights. Ooh, these are so nice. I don't use circle stickers a lot, but the ones that were cut off, I would do the same thing with these. I don't plan well with circles. I don't know why. These are cute. That's a huge sticker book. It doesn't say how many stickers there are though, but it's just as thick as any of the other books. Okay, there's that. Washi. Cute. Be you. Be bold. Be brave. I am enough. I am enough. This is probably my favorite washi. This is the Get It Done desk tablet. This is so nice. You could even tip it into your planner too, since it's not, or you really can't punch it because it'll punch into the side here, but you could tip it in with some washi at the top, stick it in your planner, or just keep it on your desk. I might just take this to work and put it on my desk. These are some filler paper that is hourly. Main focus, to do, grateful for. I love the colors. This is gonna be like a whole theme for fall, are these colors. The notebook. So sorry to those of you who hate that. And there's Stephanie and Teresa. That's cute. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Because I was gonna I never did pick up the journals. What are these called? I never did pick this up from the store when they released, because I already had a ton of stuff that I didn't, I don't know. I always wanted to pick up the social media planner and all of that. It is the guided journal, is what it's called. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is gonna be awesome. Sorry. Today's silver lining. How it could be improved. Made me smile. Today's highlight. Daily gratitude. One thing I'm feeling positive about today. What empowered me today. I love this so much. I think for this side, maybe what, a picture for the day? Girl, I don't even know. Or journal how my day went. Okay, wait. This page is different. This is like the beginning of it. Week of. What is different? Week of. Date. Oh, okay. It starts over every week. So at the beginning of every week, it has goals for the week. One area I would like to thrive in. Little things that bring me great gratitude. Simple ways I can be kinder to others. Intentions for this week. Okay. That's cute. Perfect picture for the gram. So it's the same throughout. Man, that's so awesome. Never, ever give up. Okay, this is getting on my nerves. And that's it. How exciting is this? Don't you wish that there was something underneath all of this packaging? Let me move this out the way. Oh, there is something else, you guys. Hold on. Hold on. This got marked up here. There's like this line down the middle. Okay. There's that. Thing that's gonna bring my desk to life. This. So excited. Right now I'm using this one from the Be Happy box, but now it's time for a change. So I'm gonna switch that out. And that is Twyla's unboxing of the new Be Happy box. So, hope you enjoyed it, even though there's tons of them out there, better lighting and all of that. But I still wanted to share my happiness with you guys too. So enjoy the rest of your week. One more thing. Totally forgot. We got these. Where should I put this? These are amazing. Maybe I could put it on my mirror in the bathroom. I think, who did that? There's somebody who did that I love so much, and I can't think of her name. Erica. You know what I'm talking about. She put this on her mirror, which is awesome. She had a pretty mirror. I need a pretty mirror like that. So anyway, that's it. All right.